Ever wondered how to kickstart a strength training regimen at home? What could be the stepping stones to a stronger, healthier you? Well, ponder no more. Today, we're diving deep into a comprehensive guide on how to embark on the journey of strength training, right from the comfort of your own home. The first step is understanding what strength training is all about. Strength training, also known as resistance training, is a form of exercise that improves muscular fitness by exercising a specific muscle or muscle group against external resistance. This can be your own body weight, elastic bands, or weights. Step 2. Know why strength training matters. It's not just about building muscles or looking good. Strength training can help improve bone health, maintain weight loss, enhance mood and energy levels, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Moving on to step 3, it's time to set some goals. Do you want to build muscle mass? Or maybe improve overall strength? Maybe you want to lose weight or just stay fit. Having a clear goal will help guide your workout routine and keep you motivated. Step 4, get your equipment ready. You don't need a fully stocked gym to start strength training. In fact, many exercises can be performed using just your body weight. But as you progress, you might want to invest in some basic equipment like dumbbells, resistance bands, or a stability ball. Step 5 involves creating your workout routine. A good starting point is to focus on major muscle groups like legs, hips, back, chest, abdomen, shoulders, and arms. Choose exercises that target these areas and aim to do them 2 to 3 times a week. Step 6. Start slow and gradually increase the intensity. It's important not to rush the process. Start with exercises you're comfortable with, then gradually add more challenging exercises and more weight as your strength improves. Last but not least, step 7, remember the importance of rest and recovery. Your muscles need time to heal and grow after a workout. So make sure to give yourself at least one full rest day between workouts. In summary, starting a strength training routine at home is a journey that begins with understanding what strength training is and why it's important. From there, set your goals, get your equipment ready, create your workout routine, start slow, and remember to rest. It's a journey of self-improvement and self-discovery. One that promises a stronger, healthier you. So, why wait? Start your strength training journey today.